Quelle est la date aujourd'hui? Well, if you're looking at this on lundi, c'est lundi le 29 août. If you're looking at it on Tuesday, c'est mardi le 30 août. Or Wednesday, c'est mercredi le 31 août. Or if you're not looking at it till Thursday, listen to this. C'est jeudi le 1er septembre. Quelle est la date aujourd'hui? Which is the date today? So the French do things a little bit differently. Quelle est la date? Quelle est la date aujourd'hui? What's today's date? Quelle est la date? Quelle est la date aujourd'hui? Aujourd'hui, c'est le 1er janvier. Today is the 1st of January. We do things a little differently on the 1st. So it's the only time we use what's called an ordinal number. An ordinal number, it's saying the order of it. Otherwise, we just put the number. We do what's called a cardinal number. The number month. If you're a Spanish speaker, you usually do of a month. We don't do that in French. We don't do that. So we don't just say of January or of September. We do not do that in French. Look how it says it's the 10 August. Look also that our months aren't capitalized. Months are not capitalized. Quel jour est-ce? And that's a typo. It's that actually. I borrowed this from somebody. Quel jour est-ce? Or c'est quel jour? I can also raise my voice. Aujourd'hui, c'est mardi. Today is Tuesday. I'm actually recording this on Sunday, so aujourd'hui, c'est dimanche. You want to ask when someone's birthday is? It's a false cognate. Quand est ton anniversaire? I say that. C'est quand ton anniversaire? Quand est ton anniversaire? We have some options with when we say questions in French. C'est quand ton anniversaire? Quand c'est ton anniversaire? C'est le 30 septembre. That's actually not my birthday. See if you can figure out when my birthday is. C'est le 25 décembre. Mon anniversaire, c'est le 5 décembre.